But there's something here if I'm not mistaken. Unusual feeling is just unimpressed, but I'm scared just to ask you if you're not taking. I need everything in front of me. I breathe to give you what you want from me. A little bit of time now we get so true. That little bit of time I wanna spend with you. I know you're right for me. I know, don't hide from me. You got good energy, so don't waste it away now.